Hey, how is it going? Today I'll show you how to install this great and free adult app to your Amazon Fire TV stick. It's totally free, got more than 7 million videos, and around 500 different categories, so you definitely are going to like it. Without any further ado, let's see how to set it up. First of all, we need to open the loader, and there is a really high chance that you already have it on your device. So if you do, then just skip to the next part of the video, but if you don't or you're not sure how to properly set it up, then watch this part of the video as well. So to get the loader, we just need to go to search on our Firestick, click on that magnifying glass over here on the main screen, go to search, and start typing the loader here. As you can see, it already popped out here for me at the bottom, but if it didn't in your case, then just type in the whole name of the app, which is once again the loader. Then click on it, and here's the app which you need to download. But that's not it, we also have to set it up. To do so, we'll go to settings by clicking on that gear icon right here in the right part of the screen. Open My Fire TV, go to developer options, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then we go to install unknown apps and turn that option on for the downloader. But also there's a chance that if you have a newer Fire Stick or Fire TV Cube, the developer options might be invisible for you by default, but don't worry, if you go to My Fire TV and can't see developer options, it's really easy to make them appear. In that case, just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and click on the middle button on your remote 7 times, and do it fast. As you can see, now at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you just go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. So once again, enable ADB debugging and installation of unknown apps for the downloader. So what it does, it allows us to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily from the official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now we are ready to use the downloader because it's finally set up. But there's one thing which I really recommend doing before accessing the loader. To be transparent, it's not mandatory, but I really recommend doing it. It's of course connecting to a VPN. There's a lot of different VPNs out there, but I do recommend NordVPN because they're fast and they got a great app for Fire Sticks and other devices as well, such as your mobile phones, your laptop, PC, or any other device. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. So what a VPN does, it hides all the things that you do online. So your landlord or your internet provider will not be able to tell what apps, what websites you're accessing online. And that really comes in handy, especially if you're accessing adult apps, like we're going to today. NordVPN is also great for blocking apps, blocking malware, especially when downloading files, and accessing geo-blocked content. So if some content is not available in your country, you can just open VPN, connect to a different location, and you will be able to access that content now. So if you want to get a VPN, you can use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video. If you use my link, you'll get 1 month of NordVPN totally for free, which is a great deal. Once again, using a VPN is not mandatory, but it's a big plus if you don't want your internet provider or your landlord to know what you're doing. After we got a VPN safely connected, let's open the loader app, and here you'll see a search bar in which we have to type a link, and I'm going to show you it on the screen right now. So make sure to enter it exactly as you see. So here's the link. Once again, take a good look, enter the link carefully because if you make a mistake, it's not going to work. And after you enter the link, just press on go. Now the download is going to start, and usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your internet connection speed. Here click on install in the right bottom corner, and then before actually clicking open, you gotta press on done. And here we are going to delete the installation file because we don't really need it anymore, but it clogs the memory of your Fire Stick device, which you don't really have too much of anyway. So make sure to always delete installation files after installing apps from the internet. Click on delete here and delete once again. Now if you go to the list of apps on your device, you are going to see the new adult app on your Fire TV Stick device. But of course, make sure to always connect to a VPN before accessing such apps. Now, good luck and enjoy.